Hello, can I help you?
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Hi, good afternoon. Yes, my name is Patrick. I'm with a company called...
Okay.
So we're an ingredient materials developer and glove manufacturer. And
okay.
we just developed a brand new coating material, and we're looking to partner with more suppliers and distributors that would carry our line, or it could be for internal use, for staff or employees.
Right.
Would you have a minute to review our newest glove?
Well, honestly, could you email me some information?
Okay. Just real quick before the email. So it's a glove similar to MaxiFlex in durability.
Okay.
But with a tackier grip for better handling. Mm-hmm. And our glove features antibacterial fabric, a skin-safe coating, a reinforced knit to prevent leakage, and it does have touchscreen compatibility.
Okay.
What brand of coated gloves do you currently carry gloves, or do your internal?
They're work gloves.
You carry
basically work gloves.
Okay, so you carry work gloves. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you know what brand they are?
Not offhand, I don't.
Okay. So this is what we do, because we'd like you to we'd like to send you over some samples to try out. Mm-hmm. So what I could do is I'll send you an email.
Okay.
And then what we do is and then after the email we just do a quick Zoom call with my operations manager.
Mm-hmm.
And then he can set up the free samples for you after the call.
Okay.
So we'll send you the email. So what day I was thinking to do the Zoom, is Tuesday okay, the 22nd?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay, of course you're Central Time, right?
Yes.
Okay, what time would that be good for you that day?
Probably about 2 in the afternoon.
Let's see, 2 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then are you the purchasing manager?
Yes.
Okay. What in your email so we can send you the email and then the calendar invite for the Zoom?
Okay, it's just the initials. @.com.
Okay, so it's @.com.
Correct.
Okay, and then just before I let you go, because you said what brand of coated gloves? You carry work gloves, but again you have to look, right?
Let's see here. Let me see if I can find it real quick.
Okay.
Let's see. I've got some nylon gloves.
Nylon?
We've got nitrile gloves.
Nitrile? Okay.
Yeah. We've got some different ones that we carry, and that we use ourselves.
And then you carry and use yourselves. Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So you carry and use yourselves. So that's what I was going to ask you. I was going to ask you, are you looking to distribute the gloves or use them for employees? So it's both. Both. Okay, perfect. Yeah. And then do you have any idea how much volume do you currently see from the gloves, would you say?
That I don't know, because right now I'm just really new in this position. But
okay, you're okay. You're new in the position. Okay,
just in this position. Yeah, I've been here for a while.
But you're new in this role here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't have exact volume at this stage. Okay.
Not at this time.
Okay. Okay. So that's great. So we'll send you the email, and then you'll get a calendar invite for the Zoom, so we can set up the samples for you for October 22nd at 2 o'clock.
Okay, sounds good.
We look forward to it. Have a great rest of the week. Thank you.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye.